Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a personal injury claim with Morgan & Morgan easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant information about your injury incident. Document the details, including the date, time, and location of the accident. Take note of any witnesses who can support your claim. Collect photographs of the scene and any visible injuries. Seek medical attention promptly and keep records of all treatments. Obtain copies of medical reports and bills related to your injuries. Reach out to Morgan & Morgan through their website or contact number for an initial consultation. Discuss your case with a representative, providing them with all gathered information. Listen carefully as they explain the legal process and what to expect next. Allow them to assess the viability of your claim based on the gathered evidence. If you decide to proceed, they will help you sign a retainer agreement. Begin compiling additional evidence as directed, such as accident reports and lost wages documentation. Work closely with your assigned attorney throughout the process. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information or documentation. Prepare for negotiations by discussing your desired outcomes with your attorney. Once a settlement is proposed, review it thoroughly with your attorney. Decide whether to accept the settlement or pursue further legal action if necessary. Trust in Morgan & Morgan to fight for your rights and secure the compensation you deserve. Stay informed about the progress of your case through regular updates with your attorney. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.